New psychology equipment brought to you by Advanced Experimental Psychology and Cheesy Humor at Rochester College.
A calming stimulus prior to a fearful stimulus did not alter fear-related micro-expressions or mood. Like those eyes. Who could explain this to me? Oh, look, there's some young neuroscientists now. Hi, ladies. Could you introduce yourself to the layman population?
My name is Emily Sherwin.
My name is Carrie Burton. And what is this frightening poster behind you? No pun intended.
This is a poster that we presented at the Michigan Society for Neuroscience, and we studied fearful microexpressions.
Basically what we did was scare our participants and study how fearful they were. So you guys got to scare a bunch of people, call it science, and then present it at a conference.
Yep.
Awesome. There you have it.
Now I know what you're thinking. Who is that lady? What's with that poster? And why is the sound quality so bad? Well, that's me, Dr. Machinsky. Me and research, we're buds. That poster and these are the products of the latest Advanced Experimental Psychology class. In this class, I'll teach you to use the new equipment right here at Rochester College. See your own live muscle activity using the EMG. Check out emotional response using the galvanic skin response reader. And your brain waves with the EEG. Make a ball float with nothing but your mind. Run your own experiment and much more. Boom. That's Advanced Experimental in a nutshell. To check out this equipment, you can contact me at jmachinsky@rc.edu. After training, all you need is professor approval and off you go. Have a good one.